BMW X1 Diesel 2011. Brand new all maintenance records available. Prestige maintained. 2011 now company. Imported turbocharged 123,000 kilometers. Done genuine mileage multifunctional steering factory fitted sounds. Leather interior excellent fuel economy. City 14, 16 out 16, 18 highway 18, 30A, well-maintained car, third registered owner service records, available 2012 to now accident, 100% free. There no any issues price. Ours, 11,650, 000 equals sign. Negotiate after inspection. Please contact 07181499730. Please subscribe Anchorage LK.
Please subscribe Anchorage LK.